Hey guys, John G. Adams, Modern Design Aquascaping. Our team builds custom ponds, fountains, and waterfalls out of natural stone and wood. My goal, to educate and inspire the world about ponds and water features. Today's video is about helping you choose the right contractor for your water feature project. I've been fretting all day about this video because I care about you ending up in this space, okay? There's this vision that I have. And it's this, it's everybody having this magical space in their yard, this place where they spend time with the people they love, where they relax and decompress. And that doesn't happen unless you pick the right contractor for your job. I just want you to know who we are so you don't look at Country Bumpkin holding a cold beer in his hand and think, who is this guy? And why am I going to listen to him? 25 years of water features for our team, all over the planet, literally. Like I said, with the best pond builders in the world, we've worked side by side with a lot of them. And we've won 3 awards, 2 national, 1 global for our artistry. We've won local contests, we've been published in umpteen places, spoken to thousands of people. We have remained at the top of the learning curve intentionally for the last 2 decades. And I think we can share that with you. Let's talk about what it looks like for you in order to find the right company to take care of your water feature needs so that you can be the vision of people hanging in the backyard, living next to the water feature of their dreams, and not the people who have already spent their money and are now going to pay me extra to rip out what they've already paid for and then to build again what they wanted in the first place. First thing, find a water feature specialist. I'm not saying don't hire a landscape company, but don't hire a landscape company that has 2 guys that have never built a water feature before. The salesman is one guy that shows up and has lots of pretty pictures, but is the same guys that built that water feature the guys that are going to build your water feature? You need to know that. You need to know, is it a trained team of water feature professionals that are coming to build your water feature? Because we're not just digging holes and sticking shrubs in them and filling back around them. There's a lot to it. Number 2, pick some artists. Find the artist that you like. Spend some time, do some homework. Look at their website. Look at their Facebook page. Look at their YouTube channel. Look at all of these social media platforms. Look through the pictures, watch the videos, get to know your artists and your company. See if it's a good fit. You gotta like what it looks like. I mean, you go buy something because you like the way it looks. You gotta trust. Once you've got there, you've got to trust that they know how to do what I call the dumb stuff under the ground, the plumbing and all that other stuff. It's technical stuff, but the art is the most important part there. So make sure that you like your artist, and by all means, make sure the pictures and the videos that are on their website and on their social media are pictures and videos of their work that you're deciding on. I've had literally personally, I have seen pictures of my water features on another company's website in another state. Look at the reviews, guys. Read their reviews. Businesses today live and die by their online reviews. Look at our Facebook reviews. Look at how many people comment and interact with us on YouTube. Look on our Google site. You should have reviews on every social media platform from people that you've done business with in the past that loved you enough to take the time to say something good about your company. And if they've only got 3, it's their mom, their auntie, and their neighbor. Don't fall for that. Get somebody with some reviews. Once you get to that point, now you're ready to have a conversation with somebody. Feel comfortable. There should be this system that has been set up for you don't have to dive in with the company and write them a check for a water feature. Find out, do our personalities mesh? Is it going to be a pleasure doing business with this company? Are you going to enjoy the journey as well as the result? That's important. Are you a good fit for each other? Once you get to that point, then it makes sense to go to the next step if you're ready. Whatever it is that you feel like you need, you should feel comfortable asking the company for it, and that they're going to accommodate you in some way so that you can do whatever it takes to get to that point where you feel comfortable enough to say, okay, I'm ready to talk to you about actually doing business with your company now. Don't just jump into this. It's not a car, it's not a production line item, and I don't want you guys to get stuck in that space. I can't talk about anybody else's company. If you're in Ontario or some other place and you're not in East Tennessee, I will tell you, if it's a magic project, we will go anywhere. We've worked in 6 countries and 15 states in the United States we've worked on water feature projects in. And it might make sense for you to reach out to us no matter where you're at and have a conversation and see if the next step is a logical step for us to take. Or there might be somebody that lives right next door to you. But find somebody who's right for you, guys. Take the time, do your homework. Your water feature is gonna be your magic. It's gonna be where you spend time with your kids, your wife, your dog, your spouse, whatever. You sit next to your waterfall, you decompress, your blood pressure goes down. It should be a source of joy. Don't make it a source of pain. Do your homework, love your water feature. I hope that I get the opportunity to talk to you about your waterfall, your pond, whatever your water feature project is. I'd love to chat with you about it. I wish you all the best, and I hope you get to enjoy the water feature lifestyle. Guys, this isn't a great eye candy video, not a lot of bells and whistles, oohs and ahs, but do me a favor. If you liked it, if it was valuable and you felt like it pointed you in the right direction, give me a thumbs up in the box. Tell me that it worked for you. Down there in the comment section, if there's anything I didn't cover or questions that you have, things that you want to know, maybe if I know someone in your area that I can say this guy's right for you, comment section is the place to say that. I'll answer you personally. And by all means, subscribe to our channel. I put out tons of educational stuff. I put out tons of cool project stuff. You'll get to be a part of all the amazing projects that we get to be a part of around the world. If you want to follow us on a day-to-day basis and learn more, follow my boys on Facebook at Modern Design Aquascaping. I appreciate you guys watching, I really do. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to seeing you in your backyard.